Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to lodge a tax return in Australia by yourself, step by step. First, make sure you have a MyGov account linked to the Australian Taxation Office, also known as ATO. If you don't have one, create a MyGov account and link it to ATO using your personal details. Once logged in, go to ATO Services and select Lodge Your Tax Return. Next, choose the correct financial year you want to file for. The system may pre-fill some of your information, like income from employers, bank interest, or government payments, so review everything carefully. Now, add any missing income, such as freelance work or investments. After that, move to deductions and enter eligible expenses, like work-related costs, donations, or home office expenses. Make sure all details are accurate and supported by records. Continue through each section until you reach the summary page. Review your entire return to check for errors or missing information. Once satisfied, submit your return online through the ATO portal. After submission, you will receive a confirmation and can track your refund status. Keep copies of your records for future reference and compliance. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.